Welcome to this introduction to Cloud SQL. In this video, we'll explore Cloud SQL, Google Cloud Platform's managed relational database service. We'll focus specifically on two popular database engines, MySQL and PostgreSQL. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Cloud SQL is, its key features, and how it can help you build scalable applications without worrying about database administration. Cloud SQL is a fully managed relational database service offered by Google Cloud Platform. The term, fully managed, means that Google handles all the complex database administration tasks for you. You don't need to worry about installing software, configuring servers, or maintaining hardware. Cloud SQL supports three major database engines: MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. This gives you the flexibility to choose the database that best fits your application's needs while enjoying the benefits of a managed service. Let's compare the two main database engines we'll focus on in this series. MySQL is a popular open-source database known for its speed and reliability. It's optimized for read-heavy workloads, making it ideal for applications that need to retrieve data quickly and frequently. PostgreSQL, on the other hand, is an advanced object relational database system. It excels at handling complex queries and is optimized for situations where you need advanced data processing capabilities. Both databases are powerful choices, and Cloud SQL makes it easy to use either one. Cloud SQL offers several key features that make it a compelling choice for modern applications. First, it provides global availability, with instances deployable across the Americas, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Second, built-in security ensures your data is protected with encryption both at rest and in transit. Third, automated backups give you peace of mind with on-demand backups and point-in-time recovery options. Finally, replication capabilities allow you to set up multi-zone configurations with automatic failover, ensuring your database remains available even if there's a problem with one zone. The fully managed nature of Cloud SQL brings significant benefits to your development workflow. Google automatically applies patches and updates to your database instances, keeping them secure and up-to-date without any effort on your part. You don't need to provision or manage servers, as Cloud SQL handles all the infrastructure for you. The service includes built-in monitoring and alerts, so you can track database performance and receive notifications about potential issues. Perhaps most importantly, Cloud SQL performs maintenance with zero downtime, meaning your applications can keep running even while the database is being updated. High availability is crucial for production applications, and Cloud SQL delivers this through a robust architecture. When you enable high availability, Cloud SQL creates a regional configuration with your primary instance and a standby replica in a different zone. If the primary instance fails, automatic failover kicks in, promoting the standby replica to become the new primary. This happens seamlessly, minimizing downtime. Cloud SQL offers a 99.95% uptime service level agreement, giving you confidence that your database will be available when you need it. Security is built into every layer of Cloud SQL. Your data is protected with AES 256 encryption when stored on disk, and all network traffic uses SSL or TLS encryption. Cloud SQL integrates with Google Cloud's identity and access management system, allowing you to implement fine-grained access controls. You can configure instances to use private IP addresses, ensuring they're only accessible from within your virtual private cloud network. For even more control, Cloud SQL supports customer-managed encryption keys through Cloud Key Management Service, letting you manage your own encryption keys. Cloud SQL is designed to scale with your application's needs. You can configure instances with up to 128 virtual CPUs and 864 GB of RAM for demanding workloads. Storage scales up to 64 terabytes, and the service can automatically increase storage as your data grows. To improve read performance, you can create up to 10 read replicas per primary instance, distributing read traffic across multiple databases. With high-performance SSD storage, Cloud SQL can deliver up to 60,000 input-output operations per second, ensuring your applications respond quickly. Cloud SQL integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud Platform services, making it easy to build complete applications. Cloud Run services can connect to Cloud SQL instances natively, enabling serverless applications to access relational databases. App Engine applications have built-in support for Cloud SQL connections, simplifying deployment. Cloud Functions can access Cloud SQL for event-driven database operations, perfect for real-time data processing. For external applications or local development, the Cloud SQL proxy provides secure connections without exposing your database to the public internet. Cloud SQL is versatile and supports a wide range of applications. It's commonly used for enterprise applications like ERP and CRM systems, where reliability and data integrity are critical. E-commerce platforms rely on Cloud SQL for managing product catalogs and processing transactions securely. Web and mobile applications use Cloud SQL for storing user data and managing content, benefiting from the service's scalability and performance. Additionally, Cloud SQL serves analytics use cases, powering data warehousing and business intelligence reporting workloads where complex queries need to run efficiently. Getting started with Cloud SQL is straightforward and involves 3 main steps. First, you create an instance through the Google Cloud Console, choosing your database engine and configuring basic settings like region and machine type. Second, you configure settings such as backup schedules, high availability options, and network access rules to match your requirements. Finally, you connect your applications to the database and deploy your code. Cloud SQL provides connection strings and authentication methods to make this process simple. In the next videos in this series, we'll walk through each of these steps in detail.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.